Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening YouTube Studio and reading the claim details. This tells you who claimed it and why. Once done, download or screenshot the claim page and export your original project files so you can prove ownership. Make sure to locate the exact timestamps and matched audio fingerprint. That determines whether you can trim or swap the song. Gather any licenses, receipts, or written permission now, because you'll need them for exchanges, disputes, or uploads. Don't delay this evidence step. Next, you choose a path. Accept the claim, edit the audio, or secure permission. If editing, open YouTube's editor to replace the track, mute the match section, or trim it out. Preview to confirm sync and audio levels. If you prefer to keep the original music, contact the claimant immediately to request a license or a release. Attach proof of purchase or a written agreement. Once you have permission, prepare documents to upload with a dispute or to submit a manual release through YouTube's forms. Finally, file a dispute when you have solid evidence. Attach licenses, emails, or original stems and pick the correct reason so YouTube reviewers understand why the claim is invalid. Make sure to follow timelines. If the dispute is denied, escalate with an appeal that adds stronger proof or replace the audio and upload a fixed video. Once the claim is cleared, restore monetization and save every communication. Troubleshooting tip. If a claim persists despite proof, re-encode, or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.